So this is the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the model that a lot of you have wanted to see. Let me give you a closer look here on M1. So guys, here it is, the brand new iPhone 15 Pro. This particular model in my hands is a Pro Max model. There is a smaller Pro model, which I'll give you a closer look at in a moment. But the big update this year is titanium models throughout the Pro lineup. This particular colorway is the natural titanium colorway, and it comes in black, blue, and white as well, which is very nice. Now, from a hardware perspective, the first thing that you'll notice is probably the thing that's down at the bottom that caused a big cheer when it was announced. USB-C now is actually going to be a standard amongst all of the iPhone 15 models, including the standard 15. But on the 15 Pro models, the USB-C is essentially going to allow you to get more data through. So up to 10 gigabytes on the Pro models. One of the other updates this year from the design perspective is on the side here. So you'll notice there's no longer that mute button. We actually have an action button which you can click to open, and you can customize this as well in the settings. So if you go into the settings, you'll be able to customize it. Unfortunately, there's no third-party customizations, but you can customize it through the options that are available here. We've got the standard mute button, we've got focus mode, we've got camera mode, we've got flashlight, we've got voice memo, magnifier, shortcut, and accessibility as well. So let's just give you an example of what that might look like. Let's set it up for camera. We scroll out, you press and hold, and it will basically launch the camera app. One of the other things that I have noticed just handling the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the new titanium, which is another addition to the design element, actually feels considerably lighter than the 14 Pro Max that I'm currently filming on. It is actually noticeably different, both on the Pro Max model, but also on the Pro model with this new titanium. Right, I just want to compare now the Pro Max model with the standard Pro model. Essentially, they're the same, but there is a difference when it comes to the camera. So on the Pro model, the smaller Pro model, you have 3x optical zoom. So if you go into the camera mode here, you'll notice down there 3x optical zoom. So that's the, I guess, limit of the camera when it's concerned with the Pro model. You do have the 48 megapixel main on both of these, with the 12 megapixel for the other two. You have better zoom, however, on the Pro Max model. So the Pro Max model has a specific element for the camera zoom that will go up to 5x. Let me turn this off. There we go. You can see that all the way from ultra wide to 5x. So that is the difference essentially this year. So that is it, guys. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, the iPhone 15 Pro. Let me know your thoughts. Are you tempted to upgrade this year? Leave your comments in the comments section down below. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you for the full unboxing very soon.